Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq, back with our annual Singapore Fintech Festival coverage organized by the Monetary Authority of Singapore. The Singapore Fintech Festival is on its 6th edition, and we are proud to be a media partner for the 4th year in a row. Joining me for this segment is Tianwei Liu. He's the co-founder and CEO of Xverse. Tianwei, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Hi, Jill. Thanks for having me here.
You got it. And tell us about Xverse. How did it start, and where are you today?
Sure. So it all started with more of 6 years ago with a personal problem that I was facing then, working as a software engineer in Silicon Valley. Then I was constantly being asked by my friend in Asia to help ship back products like Kindle or iPad that was not quite available yet in their local store. So shipping product back was easy, but when it comes to payment, it was a real pain. As in 2015 in Southeast Asia, products like Venmo and PayPal was not quite available. So as a software engineer, being a developer myself, the first problems I thought about is that there was a lack of good banking and payment API like Stripe. So they allowed developers to build innovative payment solutions, which is why together with my housemate Dan, which is currently my CTO, Victor, we decided to build an API layer on top of the existing bank solution in Singapore. So we were working on this project part-time for a good part of 2014. In 2015, we got into Y Combinator, a startup accelerator program in Silicon Valley. And I believe the rest is history. So today, Xverse is about 200 people strong payment infrastructure company, which help digital businesses collect and send payment across Singapore and Indonesia.
And you're a finalist in the Singapore Fintech Festival Global Fintech Awards for 2021. Tell us more about that.
Oh, really excited about that, and thank you for noticing. Yeah. So our mission since the inception was to accelerate the growth of digital business in Southeast Asia. So in the last 2 years, we saw a shift in the fintech sector towards decentralized finance, which pushed us to launch Singapore's first stablecoin project, XSGD, via StraightX, which is the product under us. So stablecoin like XSGD, in my view, brings about the best of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So where Bitcoin is a great store of value, while Ethereum is programmable, right? So XSGD built on top of these two great properties and brings about a third element, which is price stability, by tying it to a stable currency that we all know of, like Sing dollars, right? So with price stability and programmability, this brings about a lot of real-world use cases and innovation in decentralized and embedded finance we are seeing today. So since our launch over a year ago, XSGD has grown to be the largest non-US dollar stablecoin in the world. So this year to date, over $2 billion worth of XSGD has been transacted on the blockchain, and it's not showing any sign of slowing down yet. And we also be proud, like you mentioned, to be one of the finalists, and we're hoping to hear some great news in the coming days.
And SFF's theme for 2021 is Web 3.0. How does StraightX fit into that theme?
Yeah, so here at Xverse, we're excited about the future of Web 3.0, specifically decentralized finance and its ability to bring about financial inclusion and sustainability in this whole industry. So stablecoin like XSGD play a key part in enabling that to happen. And we're already starting to see our partners build innovative application on top of it, right? With real world use cases, as I mentioned, such as Forex trading, lending, decentralized digital asset exchange on top of it, right? So I believe this is just a start. Just like how the internet revolution in the 1990s and the mobile phone revolution in 2000 has fundamentally changed our daily life in the way we communicate and do business. It is my belief in the coming years, we will continue to see more application and product in the blockchain space that will just become a part of our daily life as more and more institutional and adopt blockchain and distributed ledger technology into their product offering.
Right. And Tianwei, you talked about your partners before and the different applications of it. So how do you work with other partners in DeFi to support XSGD?
Sure. So Xverse, at its core is a payment infrastructure company, right? So we have been in the space since 2015, and we are the major payment on-ramp for a lot of blockchain-based companies such as Binance and Gemini in Southeast Asia itself. So we will continue to be focusing on that in our mission to accelerate the growth of digital business in Southeast Asia. However, XSGD itself is a specific product that we have designed that is for blockchain application that require a safe haven for store of funds that's programmable and be able to program logic in it that will be part of how the DeFi revolution is changing the finance side of things, right? So having a programmable stablecoin is one of the hallmark of being able to build products that that real-world application can happen. You can't buy a coffee if the prices of Bitcoin just fluctuate every minute, right, before the time the transaction completes. While building in that through a stablecoin solution will allow innovative company to come out with products that will pack back to real-world use case with a stable pricing mechanism in it.
All right, Tianwei, we appreciate you on Trade Talks. Thanks for joining us, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you, Jill. Thanks for